Hi guys, this is Ruslan from Milan XLV, and in this video I will show you how you can customize your Gravity Forms form, and particularly different fields of it, like single fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, etc. etc. So right here I can show you, you can see the form that I created for you for this demonstration, and you can see the layout of it. So you can see that single fields are in 2 columns and in 3 columns, and it could have been like in 4 columns, etc., etc. So I will show you right now how I did it. So let's get into the forms, and let's just create a new form. Whatever, let's call it like a form test. And let's say we want to create I don't know, 2 single fields. It will be name and surname. Yeah, name, surname, and let's update the form. You know what? Let's, for the test purposes, let's just put it on the page here. Let's add the form test. Boom. Update this stuff. So you can see that. So very basic. I've added 2 fields, and if you add like everybody should have the same output on their website using Gravity Forms. So we want to place them side by side. So what we have to do is we can use pre-formatted Gravity Forms CSS styles. So I will put the link to the full list of styles the Gravity Forms provided us in the description field. So in order to place 2 single line text fields next to each other, you have to name you have to add these the following styles. So for the left field, it has to be GF left and half, and for the right field it has to be GF right half. Let's update the form, and let's see what we have now. Boom, that worked. Nice. So now let's add 3 more single line text fields, and we want to place them next to each other as well. So in order to place 3 items, 3 single line text items next to each other, there is a different CSS class for it. It will be for the first field will be GF left third. For the middle one, it will be GF middle third and GF right third. Let's update the form, and there you go. So now let's get into the show, how Gary Vaynerchuk would say it. But anyways, let's add radio buttons. Let's see what we can do with radio buttons. Let's say we have, I don't know, let's add 9. Let's just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different choices. Let's update the form so you can see that it's how it's displayed originally. Yeah, there you go. All in 1 column, and we want to have 3 different columns. So we can do that by putting in single line of CSS class. It's called GF list 3 columns. It could be done for 4, for 5 columns as well, but for this example, let's do it with 3 columns. Press update form. Let's refresh. There you go. We have 3 columns, 3 even columns. Another feature that Gravity Forms allows us to do is to create an inline list with checkboxes. So if you have, for example, multiple choices here, let's go 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Let's say 15, and you want to display them in line. This inline as not evenly spaced columns. You can add the following class to them. Just go to Appearance and add GF list inline. Let's update the form and let's see how it looks. So see, check boxes, they just look like they just go one after each other. So if the names of if the titles of the checkboxes would have been longer, they would have been displayed the same way. Like not, they wouldn't be even, you know, evenly placed. So yeah, and the final thing I wanted to show you is how to add the scrolling text. Let's say you want to add terms and conditions to your form, and you have to for this purpose you have to add a section break. Let's even name it terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. And let's add a big text here. Let's just go to, let's generate some lorem ipsum text. Yeah, let's just copy the whole thing. You want to add it all to in the description. Let's update the form so you can see how it looks originally. Yeah, so see a lot of text. You know, we can even add twice as more. Yeah, so just paste in the same thing all over again. So, and let's see. Yeah, a lot of text. You don't want this on your form. So if you want to add a pretty scrolling effect to this field, you go to Appearance, and in Custom CSS class you add GF scroll text. Update the form, and let's see what this monster has turned into. There you go. Pretty scroll box, pretty text, everything nice and neat. And a full list of features, as I said, it will be mentioned in the description box below. Actually, I made one error there while I was telling you about single text fields. A maximum amount of single text of columns for single text fields is 3, and for checkboxes and radio buttons it could be up to 5. So yes, like the video, hit the like button if you like the video, and let me know what you want to see next. Just started the channel, so let's see where we go from here. Thank you. Bye guys.